Let's derive the marginal rate of technical substitution. Let's start with delta Q, which we can decompose into the change in Q from changing L and the change in Q from changing K. So the change in Q from changing L will be delta L, how many units we change L by, times the marginal product of labor, the incremental change in output from changing labor by 1 unit. We'll have a similar expression for the change in Q from changing K. So delta Q is delta L times MPL plus delta K times MPK. Another way of writing that is with parentheses. Now if we're moving along a given isoquant, then we know the change in output is 0. I can substitute that in, so the left-hand side is 0 and the right-hand side is my decomposed change in labor and change in capital. I'm going to subtract the capital term to the left-hand side and do a little rearranging here. I can get it so that it's delta K over delta L, negative of that, equals the ratio of the marginal products. I can recognize that this left-hand side is the negative of the slope of the isoquant, and the right-hand side is the marginal rate of technical substitution, giving us then that the marginal rate of technical substitution is the marginal product of labor over the marginal product of capital.